Updating your payment information on Spotify is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account is up to date. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Spotify website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile picture or username. Step 3. Go to payment information. In the account settings menu, look for the section labeled payment or subscription. Click on it to access your current payment details. Step 4. Update your payment method. Select the option to update your payment method. You can enter new credit card details or choose an alternative payment option available in your region. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payment information, make sure to save the changes. You should receive a confirmation that your payment details have been updated successfully. Now you're all set. Regularly check your payment information to avoid any interruptions in your Spotify service.